Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, small and medium businesses need an ERP that's affordable, easy to use, and powerful. ERPAG delivers just that. Let's break it down. ERPAG combines inventory, sales, purchasing, and manufacturing management into a single platform. It gives real-time insights, automates processes, and helps teams stay coordinated without needing expensive or complicated systems. Its cloud-based design and simplicity make it perfect for SMBs that want control over operations without the steep learning curve. ERPAC helps small and medium businesses streamline operations, save time, and focus on growth. If you want an affordable and efficient ERP for SMBs in 2025, ERPAG gives you clarity, control, and scalability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.